Hi guys, we are going to show Galaxy S10 Plus with my partner. This is 1 TB black ceramic version with 12 gigs of RAM. It costs about $2,000. Let's open the box. Opening the box, the first thing you see the phone. Let's put it away and put it away. And now what's in the box? Inside the box there is a travel adapter. It's a black matte black. The other thing is connector that will help you to transfer your data from your old phones to new one. The other thing is cable, USB cable. It's also matte black. Now everything is matte black, not gloss. And AKG earphones, and I must say that they sound really good. If you flip the box, there is a carton. And there is a quick start guide, as you see, and surprise, Samsung sent original transparent case for our phone. We will use it at the end of the video and show you how does it look. Now let's observe the phone. Closer look. It has got black ceramic back. It's very shiny and polished, as you see. It has got 3 cameras on the back. One of them is normal camera. The second one is double zoom, and the third one is ultra wide camera. And there are 2 cameras on the front of phone. Start the phone, and we have already set up the phone before. Now I want you to show its functions, its options that differ it from other phones. Mainly I want to show you its RAM of 12 gigs and storage. Let's observe them. Okay, where? Okay. It's RAM. Let's observe its RAM. Memory is 12 gigs, but we use 2.8 gigs. And what about its storage? Its storage is 1 TB, as you see. And the storage. Okay. And the other main function is its ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. You know that Samsung use now ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. It means that you can protect and unlock your phone only with one touch. Now, let's try it. Now, let's try. Let's try it again. Get a full scan. Please a little harder. Fingerprint added. Let's try it. Okay, again, let's test it. Let's test it. Okay. It works so quickly. I think it's an amazing thing. We have done it. The other great feature is wireless power share. It means that you can share your power with a friend's phone or your own earbuds. You have to just placing them on the back of the phone.